Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for those who are returning and welcome for those who are new. So we're going to do a flip through slash setup video, how I have my pocket planner set up. It's the Filofax, the original in the color Nude. So I have been in it now for exactly 6 days, I think, and I've been loving it because I can fit it in my smaller handbags. So this is the front of it. I just put like little beads, got a ribbon, and this is just decorative paper and the large paper clip that y'all have seen before. My daughter got this for me for Mother's Day. It's a magnetic clip. These plastic sheets are from leftover of the covers that I got from the notebooks a long time ago. You may have seen the A5 notebooks. Everybody kept asking me like, oh, where'd you get those covers? Well, I had some leftovers because I cut one down to a B6 Slim and I had some leftovers. I fused the ends, fused it right here, and I think I fused it right here. But anyway, so I've got stickers in there and I've got my little pup Edward, sorry for the glare, and more stickers in here, and then I have snippets of the months. So we're in June, it is the 30th. This is the clear flyleaf cover that came with the Filofax, and then I have a vellum from Hobby Lobby. Most of my stuff is from Hobby Lobby, just so you're aware. And then I have cardstock paper. Then I have my grocery list, and then I always have a verse in the front. So I just painted it with watercolors and put stickers. Then this is the vellum that came with the Filofax, and I don't know why, but for some reason I had this partially cut, decided to put some stickers on it and punched holes in it. Then I have another vellum. This is my goal sheet. I do snippets of my goals throughout the year in my EDCs. I do have a goal TN that has all the details, but I'm not getting into that. And then I have a year worth of holidays that my office recognizes. This is a fold out calendar that I cut slits in it and it just folds out. That's that. And so basically what I do with that is I just highlight like my days off, and then I have my dailies. So what I did is I just made tabs because I don't use the Filofax tabs, like the 1 through 6, I don't use those. I don't know why, but it just reminds me of being in an office or in a school setting, and I just want my dividers to be a little bit more personalized. The tabs are just connected to decorative paper. Again, they're from Hobby Lobby. And so y'all know, those who've been following me, I'm not really a dailies planner, so it's very sporadic. So I just made a few. I just made lines and put time and schedule, and then basically whatever date it is, I'll write it in the top corner there. So yeah, I just made a few because again, it's sporadic. I'm more of a weekly planner, and you'll see my weeklies here in just a second. Okay, and then I made a little folder. I just punched holes, I folded it, I taped it, and it just has stickers. I just keep a few. And these. Oh, I've been using these. I guess they're Midori weather stickers. I got them at Barnes & Noble. And I normally just journal like what the weather is like, but I've been using these, so we'll see. I like them so far. Okay, and then I have a vellum with gold polka dots, and then this is my journal section. And it's just a little decorative, not too many embellishments. And this is just a blotting sheet. I just cut slits on the holes. So I did use my fountain pen, and so far it's okay on this paper. I don't know if it's different paper based off of like the year it came out. So this one is printed 2017. I don't know my other ones. I told you before, some of the paper in my personal size, it bled through with fountain pen ink. So I don't know if it's different based off of the year they made them. And there's the, I don't know if you can see them, but that's the weather stickers. And then I just use my stencils. That's a coffee cup. I just colored it with markers. And then another blotting sheet. It's not cardstock, it's just decorative paper. I also put slits on it as well. And then these paper clips, I just tied ribbons on it. One is in my journal section and one is in my monthly calendar section. And this is like a daily thing that I write in, so I just put washi tape. So this is my spending log. I have when I take my allergy meds, when I read, when I exercise, and I put like a timed washi in here. And then this, I just put a gold washi for pen test. And then this is my weekly, and then I have a memo pad right here. So I did not cover the important stuff, so that's why I'm not gonna flip through the ones I've written in. I have this, that's next week. And I just kept up until September. I don't like to put like the whole year in any of my EDCs really. And then this is my notes section. So if I call the doctor's office or the bank or whatever, that's just a reminder of something, I wrote something down. And then my list section, and I might actually blur this section out. I put like hours of operation that I want to remember the stores that are local to me. And then this is a running list. It's not something I immediately have to do. I just do them as I can get to them. I have more hours of operation. I put memo pads over it just to cover it up, but then I put stickers over it just to make it cute. And then I stamped Hello Kitty on here with a pink ink pad. And then I have my 5-minute challenge. Basically, I time myself when I do certain things, and then I put like how long it takes me. So like when I'm cleaning, I don't feel so overwhelmed. And then I have my wish list. I check mark the Filofax Original Nude in Pocket. So I got that already. And then my to-do list for 2026. And those are things that I would really like to get to a lot sooner than my other list, my running list. Okay, so this section I'm gonna blur out because I wrote down the places that we're going in Italy. I'll be leaving exactly a week from now. We'll be going to Italy for the summer. And then this section is birthday list, and then this is my monthly section. And then I have my bills section. The months that I was not in my pocket, I got it on the 24th of June, which is, I kind of highlighted that. And then I'm showing August because the other ones already have things filled in. I don't really want to share like personal information. So I just drew lines and put a sticker and wrote out 26 on here. And these are just the blank sheets that you get from Filofax, so I use that because the ones that I bought from Filofax, I think that the boxes are too small, and then they have lines. I know that there's several ones that you can get, but I just find it easier for me to do this because I know how big I want my boxes, and I know that I want a Sunday start as opposed to a Monday start because some monthly calendars start on a Monday and I just prefer Sunday. And then I have more blank sheets here for other months. My slip pocket, I have some agenda stickers and then a small memo pad. So I have receipts, address labels, and stamps in here. And then on the front pocket, I have my stencils and a washi card sample, and then some important documents in here that I'm not going to show. Put that back in there. All right, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this flip and setup video, how I set it up. I'm really enjoying it. She is getting a little chunky, but I love her. yeah, so that scratch is still there. I mean, and the scratch inside of the back pocket, it's still there, but I'll deal with it. Doesn't bother me. Okay, so if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to sub if you're interested in this type of content. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you're in right now. I know a lot of people are going over their mid-year planners and journals, Techo Kaigi. I actually want to post one as well, but I've got a lot on my plate right now, so hopefully you'll see that soon. And I definitely look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.